Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the target phone ready. Make sure it is unlocked and has a working internet connection. Next, open Settings and go to Accounts, Add Account, or just open the Google app and tap Sign In. Enter the Google email and password when prompted. This starts the secure session. Once done, you'll be asked about syncing options. Decide which data to copy. Make sure to enable contacts and calendar if you rely on them. You now handle verification and sync choices. If two-step verification is enabled, follow the prompt. Accept a Google prompt on your other device, enter an SMS code, or use an authenticator app. After verification, Google asks about syncing, review app permissions, and toggle what to sync so you don't copy unwanted data. Once you confirm, the phone begins syncing. Make sure to check Play Store settings and restore. You finish by confirming the account appears under Settings Accounts and that contacts, calendar, and drive show up correctly. If you intend to remove access elsewhere, go to your Google account, security your devices, and sign out of any old phones. If sign-in fails, common fixes are: reconnect Wi-Fi, set correct date and time, clear Google Play Services cache, or temporarily revoke sessions and retry. This resolves most hiccups so your account works on the new phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.